welcome back. Today I'm going to do a first impressions, but more like a lip swatch on the Revolution Pro lipstick collection. This is the matte reds, and I don't know if you guys know, but last year I did film a similar video, but on the Bare collection. I really love the formula on those lipsticks, but I don't wear them as often because, to be honest, I have like a bunch of lipsticks and I feel like I'm buying new lipsticks every other week, and I kind of forgot about them. But I really love the formula on those. They are pigmented, they feel super buttery, very creamy, very moisturizing on the lips. But as it says, this is the mattes. Okay, this is the matte collection, and and I really hope my lips can handle this, because as it says, this is the matte collection, and we all know that my lips are always dry and crusty, like my skin, like my under eyes anyway. And I know I look like I just woke up, but it's like 4 p.m. so it's because of this liner I applied in my waterline. I don't really like it, and also this eye is kind of watery. I feel like it's gonna mess with my wing liner, and also I haven't done a wing liner in a while and I kind of struggled, so that's why I look like, you know, asleep. I'm not, okay? So if you're not subscribed, please hit the red button and also ring the bell to get post notification every single time I'm posting a new video. And if you guys want to see how they look on my lips and how the formula is, and you know, all that stuff, then keep on watching. Okay, so as I said in the intro, last year I filmed a review on the Bare collection, and also I used the lip liner. I know you're not supposed to use a lip liner when you're doing this type of videos, because the lip liner it can change the lipstick color, so I know that's not how you do it, but I saw a lot of people doing that, so I thought it was okay for me to do it too. Anyway, also a few people suggested me to not use a lip liner, but to be honest, I like to overdraw my lips when I'm using a nude lipstick, so that's why I used the liner in that video. I'm not gonna use a liner in today's video because you're not supposed to use a liner when you do lip swatches. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, as I said, I'm not gonna use a lip liner in today's video. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, but on my lips I have this Dominic Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss. This is in the shade Strawberry Lemonade. I really like this. This feels so buttery. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to start with the swatches. So as I said, this is the matte reds lipstick collection, and I really love that they have names. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm so bad at describing colors. You already know that. So it looks like this. They are I forgot. They are sealed. I forgot the word. Okay, so we have 5 lipsticks, matte reds, and this looks very pink on camera, and also this one looks a little bit more bright, more like a coral red, orangey red. Anyway, let's do this. So I'm going to start with the more bright shades, and I really hope they don't stain my lips. So these are a little bit more bright, these are a little bit more deep, and yeah, as I said, I really hope they don't stain my lips. Okay, so I'm going to start with Born With It. I think the packaging is the same. Yes, it's the same as the Bare collection. This is from the Bare collection. This is in the shade Whispers. I really like the color. So yeah, the packaging is the same. They feel the same. What? Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. They don't smell, which is nice. So let's see. Okay, let me bring you a little bit closer. All right. This is pigmented. Wow, I'm so bad at applying lipstick without lip liner. Sorry, my bad. I'm going to take a brush and perfect a little bit this. Okay, so as I said, I'm so bad at applying lipstick without a lip liner, but this is the best I could do. So yeah, this is the Born With It, such a beautiful color, and this lipstick with a darker lip liner, fire. Honestly, it doesn't feel matte and it doesn't look matte, right? It has this slight shine. It feels very nice on my lips actually, and the pigmentation is very nice as well. Next I'm going to try Make Me Crazy, and this is the one I said it looks more like a orangey coral red. This is so beautiful. This feels a little bit more matte, I would say, but not crazy matte. I don't really like to use a brush with my lipsticks, but okay, and this is Makes Me Crazy. Make Me Crazy, sorry. And I know I said this feels a little bit more matte. No, I lied. It feels exactly the same as the first one, and the formula is very creamy. But it feels creamy, it feels nice, you know what I'm saying? Next I'm going to go with Fever, and as we can see they don't really stain the lips. I kind of messed a little bit right here when I wiped this off, but okay, so as I said, this is in Fever, and this is like a bright fire red. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. And I do suggest you to use a lip liner. They don't bleed, but you know, during the day, who knows? For now, they feel very safe. Next, I'm going to go with Expression, and this is a little bit more dark, more deep red. Wow, look at that. Alright, so this is Expression. I feel like it's so perfect for the fall season. Very beautiful dark red. The foundation around my mouth, it looks crazy. Don't look at that, okay? And the last color is called Red Wine, and this is, as it says, a red wine color. I'm not very into deep colors, but you know, just for fun. And oh my god, this looks beautiful. Like, it's not that deep, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so this is the last color, Red Wine, and I applied this so bad on my lips, right? I mean, it looks kind of anyway. So yeah, this is Red Wine. Okay, so I just applied Make Me Crazy and I used a lip liner. I have to say that it was a little bit hard to blend the lipstick with the lip liner, but I used a waterproof liner, so I guess that's why. This is the BH Cosmetics in the shade stripped. And I guess that's it for today's video. Don't be intimidated by the fact that it says matte. As we can see, they are not completely matte, they are more wearable. As I said, they feel more, I hope you can hear the thunders. They feel more creamy on the lips and they don't look like matte lipsticks. I don't know if that's a bad thing. I mean, if you buy this thinking that they are completely matte, transfer proof, this is not the one. No, don't buy this. But if you want something more wearable, that it looks matte from far but is not really matte, this is the one. And for the price, you cannot beat that. As you can see, it's very pigmented. As I said, they feel very nice on the lips, and I highly recommend you to use a lip liner first because one, it will make it look more clean, more put together, and two, you'll have more control when you go with the lipstick on top. You know, you don't have to worry then to go with the concealer to clean the edges, blah blah blah. It's way easier to use a lip liner first. That's just how I like to do it. But yeah, in my opinion, I feel like it's easier to use a lip liner first and then go with the lipstick, and then you can use a brush to blend the lip liner and the lipstick if they are not the same color, or even to go with the lip liner on top of the lipstick and blend the colors together if they are not the same color. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. I really like the formula. The colors are so beautiful, so pigmented, so rich, and as I said, they feel creamy. They are not matte. I guess that's it. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Let me know down below if you tried this, if you have them, if you like them, if you want to try them, just let me know down below. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! And as we can see, they do transfer, and that means that they are not completely matte. So that's that.